The members of the Hinyotrep Youth Council today dismantled around 80 numbers of illegal houses at Lom Survey. HYC President Roy Kupar Sinrem said that they have decided to dismantle these illegal houses after the district administration failed to take any action even after 2 weeks of the joint inspection of the area. He said that they have impressed both the district administration and Defence Estate Office to immediately evict these illegal settlers from the Lom Survey. The HYC president stated that this sends a strong message that they are a serious group to follow and to issue which they have taken up.
Ngilada bandawa nakaliang joko district administration bakadai ban pentra ring ngilap mentala artayo naduk bangile ya ka joint inspection ringim simlayu I kanu kadang wala ngila persyang ban pha mesi judisi ban clean audisi kai ka status jong tu inquiry usuong pentip yang iba ngin sa update ya pi ngin sa pentip ya pi retat adu ni khlemat ngim simlayu ya kanu ka kumbang ilaong ngin yale ngin om sange bat yala ka jong gari ya ri la jong ngin ri kendong kata ka dengan mutu bat ka jingkwa bat ka jingthang jong ka HYC bat ya kata BJP legislator from South Shillong